Welcome! Today I am with Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm going to show you how you can increase your screen sensitivity. So at the first you have to go for the settings and find the display section. When you are here, you have to simply scroll down. And as you can see, here we got this feature, touch sensitivity. So just enable, and as you can see in the description that we will increase the touch sensitivity of the screen when we are using the screen protectors. So it's very useful when you put on your display tempered glass, for example. And we can also turn off this accidental touch protection. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.